Hi guys, in today's video I want to discuss with you how you can potentially earn money here on SMS Profit. If that is something that you are interested in, then this video is for you. Okay guys, now here on SMS Profit you can earn money in a rather interesting way. They discuss with you here the two ways that you can possibly earn. The first one here is by receiving SMSs. All you have to do is to run the SMS Profit app and allow them to send you SMSs. Everything works in the background, so you will earn real money online for doing nothing. Then you can earn more with a dual SIM, more registered phone numbers, more money, and for each received SMS test. Now, guys, if I go down a bit here, they discuss with you the features. They say here, passive income. Just run the app. Make sure that your phone is always on the internet and get paid for received SMSs for each phone number that you verified. With SMS Profit, you should not do anything else to earn. Also, there is easy withdrawal. Guys, free and easy setup. They explain here you just need an email address and at least one phone number to sign up. You can register more than one device and more than one phone number on the same account if you wish to earn more and faster. Now, they do give you an important note here. Use the same email account. If you change email accounts with the same phone number, the system could auto block your account or phone number. So that's definitely something important that you need to take note of. And then also here, no no investment needed. You don't need to invest anything. Actually, you will be awarded with 50 cents USD for your registration, which is quite nice. Okay guys, and next up here I want to discuss with you how it works. It's really quite straightforward. You're going to download the app, then you are going to register and launch. You're going to connect to the internet, keep the app running, receive a test SMS, and then you can get paid. They say here you will get paid for each received SMS test. You can request money withdrawal as soon as your balance reaches the minimum payment balance. You receive your real money in a few days. Now, guys, you might be wondering, what should you do with the SMS that you received? They say you will receive SMS tests with random numbers and letters in the content. Besides the random letters and numbers, the content can include anything, including links. Please ignore completely all our test SMSs and do not reply to any of them. We send SMSs only in order to check if they have been delivered to your phone and if so, in what form. Our test messages get forward get forwarded to our service after you receive them automatically. Once your balance is updated, please feel free to delete the messages. Okay guys, and next up here I want to discuss with you how much you can potentially earn your own SMS Profit. They say you'll be paid for each received test SMS that is successfully pushed back to their server. One SMS could be from 1 cent USD up to 6 cents USD. Now guys, as you can see, it's not going to be a lot of money that you can earn doing this. It's definitely not going to be like a full-time income that you can earn. You should only see this as like a little bit of side income that you can make at the end of the day. And I also mention here, how often will I receive an SMS? If you are consistently online, you'll normally receive at least one SMS per 24 hours. Now they do mention here, what can you do to increase the amount of tests? They say you keep the app running consistently and have stable internet connection. At times, Android OS automatically closes with some apps, so you need to ensure that our app is opened again in such cases. Your main goal is to keep the app always running. Our systems will see that your phone is available for tests and you will have a greater chance of receiving test messages. Now, guys, over here they say, what methods do you support when it comes to like withdrawing your funds? They say currently they support the following systems: PayPal and Bitcoin. Okay, guys, now if you are looking for an alternative to SMS Profit, then there are quite a few options that are available online. One option here is McMoney. They explain to you here what McMoney is. They say by letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your McMoney bank. Real money. To give you some more information here, you earn cash. Just install the app. We'll send you random test SMS messages once in a while. You'll earn money for each received text message from us. Works on Android. Make Money is an Android only app because Android allows us to process the results of the SMS test messages we send to your phone. Secure. Make Money is extremely safe and secure for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. So, guys, if you are looking for an alternative where you can earn money by receiving text messages, then you can definitely check out Make Money. Okay, guys, so in today's video, I discussed with you how you can earn money here on SMS Profit. Now, guys, as I say in all my videos, please do your own research first before you sign up to any website or app that I mention here. Now, guys, with that being said, I do hope that you have found value in this video. Please do consider liking and subscribing for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.